In the fast-paced world of entrepreneurship, having the right tools and strategies at your disposal can make all the difference between success and failure. Innovative Muse here, welcome in. Today we are diving into the essential components of the ultimate business survival kit that every entrepreneur needs to thrive in the competitive landscape. Welcome, viewers, to an insightful discussion that will empower you with actionable insights and valuable resources to navigate the challenges of running a business. Whether you are a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out on your journey, this video is designed to equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary to not only survive, but thrive in the ever-evolving business world. We will explore a range of must-have tools and strategies that are essential for streamlining operations, maximizing productivity, and staying ahead of the curve. From cutting-edge technology solutions to time-tested business strategies, we have curated a comprehensive guide to help you build a strong foundation for your business success. Join us as we embark on this journey together, uncovering the key elements that will shape your entrepreneurial path and set you up for long-term growth and prosperity. Let's dive in. Step 1. Identify essential tools for business survival. When it comes to ensuring the survival and success of your business, having the right tools in place is crucial. Here are some key tools that every entrepreneur should consider incorporating into their operations. 1. Customer Relationship Management (CRM) software. A reliable CRM system is essential for managing customer interactions, tracking leads, and nurturing relationships. It streamlines communication, improves customer satisfaction, and enhances sales performance. 2. Project Management Tool. Efficient project management is vital for keeping tasks organized, deadlines met, and team collaboration seamless. A project management tool helps in assigning tasks, tracking progress, and ensuring projects are completed on time and within budget. 3. Financial Tracking System. Monitoring finances is a cornerstone of business success. A robust financial tracking system enables you to track expenses, manage cash flow, and make informed financial decisions to drive growth. For those looking to implement these tools, some reputable recommendations in the market include Salesforce for CRM, Trello for project management, and QuickBooks for financial tracking. These tools are user-friendly, feature-rich, and widely trusted by businesses of all sizes. By leveraging these essential tools, you can streamline operations, enhance decision-making, and position your business for long-term success. Step 2. Develop effective strategies for growth and resilience. Strategic planning, marketing strategies, and risk management are essential components for fostering growth and resilience in any business. Strategic planning involves setting clear goals, outlining strategies to achieve them, and adapting to changing market dynamics. It provides a roadmap for success and ensures alignment across all business functions. Marketing strategies play a crucial role in reaching and engaging customers, driving sales, and building brand awareness. By implementing targeted marketing campaigns, businesses can attract new customers, retain existing ones, and stay ahead of competitors in a crowded marketplace. Risk management is about identifying potential threats to the business, assessing their impact, and implementing measures to mitigate risks. By proactively managing risks, businesses can safeguard their operations, protect their assets, and maintain financial stability. Creating a robust business plan is key to outlining the vision, mission, and strategies for growth. It serves as a blueprint for success and guides decision-making processes. Adapting to market changes is essential for staying relevant and competitive in a dynamic business environment. Innovation and continuous learning are vital for sustaining business success. By fostering a culture of innovation, businesses can stay ahead of trends, meet evolving customer needs, and drive growth. Continuous learning ensures that businesses stay agile, adaptable, and responsive to market shifts. By incorporating these strategies, businesses can position themselves for long-term growth and resilience. Step 3. Implement productivity tools and techniques. In the fast-paced world of business, productivity is key to achieving success and staying ahead of the competition. By implementing the right tools and techniques, entrepreneurs can optimize workflow, maximize efficiency, and drive business growth. Here are some essential productivity tools and techniques to consider. 1. Time management apps. Time is a precious resource, and managing it effectively is crucial for productivity. Time management apps like Toggle, Rescue Time, or Todoist help track time spent on tasks, set priorities, and allocate resources efficiently. 2. Task prioritization methods. Prioritizing tasks based on urgency and importance is essential for staying focused and productive. Techniques like the Eisenhower Matrix or the Pomodoro Technique can help individuals prioritize tasks, manage time effectively, and avoid procrastination. 3. Communication platforms. Effective communication is vital for collaboration and teamwork. Platforms like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Zoom facilitate seamless communication, file sharing, and project collaboration among team members. By incorporating these productivity tools and techniques into daily operations, businesses can streamline processes, reduce operational bottlenecks, and boost overall efficiency. Productivity hacks, such as setting clear goals, minimizing distractions, and taking regular breaks, can further optimize workflow and enhance productivity levels. Embracing these tools and techniques can empower entrepreneurs to work smarter, not harder, and achieve their business objectives with greater ease and efficiency. Step 4. Secure financial stability and growth. Financial stability is the cornerstone of a successful business. By implementing sound financial management practices and strategies, entrepreneurs can ensure long-term growth and sustainability. Here are key steps to secure financial stability and foster growth. 1. Financial management tools. Utilize tools like QuickBooks, FreshBooks, or Xero to streamline financial processes, track expenses, and manage invoices effectively. These tools provide insights into cash flow, profitability, and financial health. 2. Budgeting strategies. Develop a comprehensive budget that outlines income, expenses, and financial goals. Budgeting helps in allocating resources efficiently, identifying areas for cost savings, and planning for future investments. 3. Investment opportunities. Explore investment options such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or business expansion. Diversifying investments can help in generating passive income, building wealth, and securing financial stability in the long run. Managing cash flow, reducing unnecessary expenses, and planning for contingencies are essential for maintaining financial stability. Financial literacy plays a crucial role in making informed financial decisions and understanding the implications of financial choices. Seeking professional advice from financial advisors or accountants can provide valuable insights and guidance on complex financial matters. By prioritizing financial stability and growth, entrepreneurs can build a solid foundation for their business and pave the way for long-term success. Step 5. Cultivate a resilient mindset and adaptability. In the ever-evolving landscape of entrepreneurship, cultivating a resilient mindset and adaptability is essential for navigating challenges and seizing opportunities. Here are key strategies to foster resilience and adaptability in the face of uncertainty. 1. Mindset shift. Embrace a growth mindset that views challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. By reframing setbacks as stepping stones to success, entrepreneurs can overcome obstacles with resilience and determination. 2. Techniques for resilience. Pray, meditation on scriptures, or stress management techniques to build emotional resilience and cope with adversity effectively. Setting realistic goals, maintaining a positive outlook, and seeking support from peers can help in staying resilient during tough times. 3. Embracing change. Stay agile and adaptable in response to market shifts and changing circumstances. Be open to feedback, iterate on strategies, and pivot when necessary to align with evolving business needs. Encouraging entrepreneurs to view failures as learning opportunities, embrace change, and pivot when needed can foster a culture of innovation and growth. By cultivating a resilient mindset, entrepreneurs can navigate challenges with confidence, stay motivated in the face of adversity, and position themselves for long-term success in the dynamic world of business. Step 6. Build a strong support network and community. Building a strong support network and community is vital for the success and growth of any business. By fostering meaningful connections, seeking mentorship, and collaborating with like-minded individuals, entrepreneurs can access valuable resources, guidance, and opportunities. Here are key strategies to build a strong support network and community. 1. Importance of networking. Networking plays a crucial role in expanding professional connections, gaining insights, and opening doors to new opportunities. Engage in networking events, industry conferences, and online communities to build a diverse network of contacts. 2. Mentorship. Seek guidance from experienced mentors who can provide valuable advice, share industry knowledge, and offer support in navigating challenges. Mentors can offer a fresh perspective, help in decision-making, and accelerate personal and professional growth. 3. Collaboration. Collaborate with peers, industry partners, and fellow entrepreneurs to leverage collective expertise, resources, and networks. Collaborative projects can lead to innovative solutions, business growth, and mutual support. Finding mentors, joining industry groups, and actively participating in community initiatives can help entrepreneurs establish a strong support network. By giving back to the community, supporting fellow business owners, and fostering meaningful connections, entrepreneurs can contribute to a thriving ecosystem of support and collaboration that benefits all members. Summarize key takeaways and encourage action. As we conclude our discussion on the ultimate business survival kit, let's recap the essential tools and strategies that can drive business success and growth. From identifying key tools like CRM software, project management tools, and financial tracking systems, to developing effective growth strategies and implementing productivity tools, each step plays a crucial role in shaping a resilient and thriving business. Continuous learning, adaptability, and resilience are the cornerstones of entrepreneurship. By embracing change, staying agile, and cultivating a growth mindset, entrepreneurs can navigate challenges with confidence and seize opportunities for innovation and growth. We encourage you to take action on the insights shared in this video. Implement the tools and strategies discussed, seek mentorship, build a strong support network, and prioritize financial stability to propel your business forward. Remember, success in entrepreneurship is a journey that requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video for more content like this. Until next time, be well.